It's also a very, very fast storm. And when it leaves overnight tomorrow night, the weather behind it is cold, but other than that, it's good weather for recovery, let's put it that way. All right, let's show you where the blizzard warning is. It's not along the coastline, even though there's going to be a tremendous amount of wind on the coast. But the reason it's pushed farther back is because this is the area that will have a long enough period of snow and possibly enough wind to actually get blizzard conditions. So it's basically from Middlesex County west and north. Essex County is included as well, but Boston, the coastline, southeastern Mass, and the Cape, not. However, I do want you to notice there is a winter storm warning in effect, however, for Boston, and as you head southward through southeastern Massachusetts. Not enough snow for the Cape to have a winter storm warning there. And also a winter storm warning farther north where there isn't the blizzard warning. Also along the coast, I got to tell you, the winds are going to be horrific around noontime tomorrow and early tomorrow afternoon, mid-afternoon tomorrow. High wind warning is in place. So even though there's not a blizzard warning here, you've got a high wind warning, and there's undoubtedly going to be wind damage. Also, coastal flood warning for that early afternoon high tide tomorrow. Now, we've gotten a break today, as expected, the calm before the storm, 33 degrees, and the wind is very gentle right now as weak high pressure, well, actually pretty big high pressure area is over us. So we've enjoyed this after all the cold that we experienced during the course of the weekend. But now, here's the system that got Chicago. That's not really the one for us. It's this one down in here, getting Gulf moisture, then Atlantic moisture, and then it makes its move up the coast, initially bumping into the cold air. But the more I'm looking at this and the more I'm evaluating all the late computer model data, the track is going to be an extreme coast hugger. And when that happens, eventually enough warm air comes in from the ocean to prevent an all snow situation, especially in easternmost Massachusetts, including Boston. The problem is, from late morning tomorrow until mid-afternoon, that several-hour window, even in Boston, may snow to beat the band a good couple inches per hour. So that's when Boston's going to get most of its snowfall. It's going to accumulate very rapidly, but by late afternoon, Boston will be mixed or raining as the storm passes just barely south and east of Boston. So once you get to Worcester, north and west, and all through northern New England, that's where it's going to be a walloping in terms of the amounts of snow. Now, here's what we're talking about. You get to late morning, lunchtime, into the early afternoon. Those are your extremely heavy pockets of snow. Then we watch the mix and changeover line advance from southeast to northwest, even penetrates a little bit inland, may end as a little bit of snow late at night, but there's really no backlash with this storm. It's all the front part of the storm, which is during the day tomorrow. So that's what we are talking about. Again, in terms of accumulation, this is our best estimate. We may have to adjust these amounts a little bit going this way because of the nature of the storm hugging the coast. But right now, even though it's going to occur in about a 3 to 6 hour period, there's still the potential for 8 to 12 inches in Boston. Let's check in with Mike, though, for more about those snowfall rates that are going to occur tomorrow in different areas.
And Harvey, you brought up an excellent point there, talking about how it's going to snow very heavily, and then it may taper off because of the sleet and rain mixing in there. So what I've done is I've broken it down in a few areas. Let's travel to the north. Check out Lawrence. See how the snow really picks up between about 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock, and still adding to it even as we go through 7 o'clock. Out at Worcester, it just snows all the way through. So by 7 o'clock, you're looking at 16 inches of snow. Now, let's move into areas a little closer, like Boston, for example. See what happens between 1 and 4 o'clock? It snows, incredible rates there. But then it may taper off a little bit just because of the warm air trying to work in here with some sleet and some rain mixture going on. Same as you look to the south, Brockton, again, you'll ramp up really quickly between 1 and 4, and then it may just kind of taper. It doesn't mean the storm is over with. It just means it can't add to it because we're adding so much heavy stuff on top of it. And Hyannis, it goes instantly to 2, but then we go to some rain. And another thing to remember is there's still a lot of snow on the ground down toward the Cape from the last storm. Plus, we add water to it. We could have some street flooding issues down in that direction. Ed Nimley?
So let me just say, go ahead, Harvey.
Okay, yes, I just wanted to show you a little bit of a close look at the amounts we're talking about. Again, the heaviest amounts would be Worcester, north and west. That's where it could see 1.5 feet or more. But even out across Metro West beyond 128 could exceed a foot. About 8 to 12 again for Boston, all in several hours, and then diminishment as you head down to the Cape and the Islands where it's actually going to get washed away. But look at the potential of these gusts. That's what I want to point out. Look at this carefully, the incredible ramp up over 60 miles an hour. Again, this is just a computer model, but those are gusts over hurricane force in Nantucket and near hurricane force along the coast. That's why I'm so concerned about wind damage.